Hi guys, welcome back. So today Chava went ahead and filmed himself making a toilet paper roll cake, which would be such a hit to bring humor to anyone who's celebrating their birthday during this crazy time, this quarantine. So we hope you enjoy, and if you'd like to learn how to make this cake, then please keep on watching. This cake serves around 15 to 20 people, which would be perfect for a small gathering at home. Let's try and make these times still special for anyone who's having a birthday. So yeah.
Our fondant. So it measures about 6 inches. So nomás just put it to 6 inches. Okay. And then this is gonna help you, like, just grab anything that's like kind of roundish and just roll it with this, so you could throw it on the side of the cake. And then since the straightest part was this side, you want to make that the bottom. So that's the bottom. And I'm going to put it on the last side. Cool. Right there, you want to kind of overlap it. Just overlap it a little bit, because you want to because you're gonna make it fold, so that way it could look like actual toilet paper. So again, I must just cut it with your X-Acto knife. Oh shit. Right there. It doesn't have to be that much, but just como yo ahorita le corté, le puse de más, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. And now you want to smooth it. So that's the side of it already, and we're still gonna do a design, but we're gonna put the piece on top still. Alright, like that. Alright, so we're gonna do the top of it now, and so what we need to do is do an 8-inch round. You get these at Walmart. So you gotta cut a piece of fondant that fits an 8-inch, obviously. Try and cut it a little bit bigger than this, so that you can cut it with the X-Acto knife to the perfection of it, you know? So just stretch it out. And then just make a little hole so the air can come out. You can either do this, or you can just cut it and perfect it and make a piece of brown. So I'll probably show you guys that technique too right now. Down. And then just cut it to like barely, you know, just take your time and just cut it, so that way it could be like flush to this. Alright, so we already have our brown fondant. I already made it brown. So what we need to do is just knead it for a little bit. And then after that, we're just gonna measure how high it is in there, so we can make the fondant strip, and then we're gonna throw it on. So obviously you don't need it that long. Just, you already know, maybe about however big you cut the hole. You could make it as big as you want, but the bigger the hole, I mean, the more realistic it's gonna look. So we're gonna measure it. Get the pair. So you can hear them, so you guys can see. It's about an inch high. All right. So it's good, about an inch high. Make sure one side is straight. And after that, we're gonna put it on. Cake. So you want to throw some water around it right here. That way it could get stuck to it. And then just cut it with your X-Acto knife to wherever you think it's gonna. So there it is. So either just add more water on the tip of it, so that way it could get stuck from the top too. And there it is. Now we're gonna make the lines so it could look kind of like more realistic. And what we're gonna need for that is this. Alright. So we're just gonna do lines by going like this. The more lines you put on it, the more realistic it looks. So just keep going until you think it's good. Ahí está. Cool. And then right now we're just gonna do the design on the side, put it in the fridge for a little bit, and then we'll do it. So pretty much it's already looking like a toilet paper, right? Right? So here it is. All we're gonna do is put the design and try to clean it up a little bit. Alright, and if you want to go the extra mile, you could also do the line on the side of the cardboard inside. So just kind of like that. See that right there? Just like that. And now we're gonna do the design. You could, for the design on the paper, you could either pipe it or just do it with however you want, you know? I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use yeah, that's pretty much it, just this and this right here. So that way I can make it look like it has sheets. So check it out. So the reason why it's shiny is because it's a little warm in here, and the cake is cold, you know. But if you put it in the fridge for a little bit, it'll go away. Or just leave it in the fridge for about 24 hours, and then it'll go away. But other than that, just alright, so we're just gonna do the design, and I want to use this. So I started it, but then the battery died on the other camera, so we're gonna use that one. So it's up to you. You could even leave it like that, plain, and it could be a plain paper. That's if you get the cheap ass one. But if you get a good kind, like Charmin, like I do.
Boy, we get what we can find right now, so.
Coronavirus!
Do the design on it. Yeah, para que te salga cool. But like I said, you could either pipe it or just do it like that, you know? So we're gonna do the whole cake and then I'll show you guys. Alright, so there it is. You already did your design. You could do whatever design, like I said. It's up to you, however you want to do it, but you could even add some more, like a little bit more, just poke at it. So it could look kind of like realistic, you know? You want it to look as realistic as possible, so. And you already know real toilet paper is not perfect. Unless you get the one that I get, you know? Like I said. There it is. Check it out. Cool? I mean, if you want to go the extra mile, you could just put a little piece of brown in there. So that way it would look more like, I guess, more realistic. But I mean, people look at it like this, you know? So, there's your toilet paper. And then just put like whoever's birthday it is, or just put coronavirus or whatever. Or you could just put your oldest shit or something, you know? But there it is. And if you want it to look like, if you kind of erase the lines, just go over them again, you know? But like that.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah? So like that. Cool. There it is, guys.
But yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. It would mean the world if you can go ahead and share this video. As you guys know, a lot of small businesses took a big hit with this quarantine, with all of the parties being canceled. All of our cake orders were canceled as well. So any way you can support our small business, you can always go to the Instagram page, Serranos Cakes, to place an order for a cake like this or something similar. Keep in mind, you guys, this might be our last birthday. We never know, so just make it special. Even if it's something small and you're helping out a small business, even just by giving us a like or commenting down below, that helps out our business here on our YouTube channel. So thank you for all the support, and I'll see you in our next one.